I did overcook it a little bit, but what can I say? I got distracted and it happens. I'm sorry. That is money. Are we rolling? Yeah, good. Steak with chimichurri sauce. Very easy and quick to make. Today I'm going to be using a bavette steak, which is a relatively cheap cut of beef. In my opinion, very underrated and one of my personal favorites, to be honest. We don't want to cook it any further than medium rare. I'm going to aim closer to the rare side, but let's see how it comes out. First, we want to season the steak or marinate the steak and let it come up to room temperature. And in the meantime, we'll make the chimichurri sauce. To marinate the steak, I'm going to be using salt, pepper, and olive oil. There's no need for anything else. Go heavy with the salt because a lot of it will fall off on the grill. So even though it looks like a lot of salt now, we're gonna lose at least half of it. So we set this aside, set the steaks aside, and can go ahead and make our chimichurri sauce. We'll do a very simple version of it. So first we got our parsley. It's about a handful, a big handful. Windy. We chop it fine. Fresh oregano, or whatever, however you want to pronounce it. A couple of cloves of garlic. Chop, 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 chop. That'll do. Nice pinch of salt, black pepper, chili flakes, red wine vinegar, couple tablespoons, maybe one and a half. Add more if you like more acidity, and olive oil. I know it's a lot of olive oil, but I want it to be loose so I can drizzle it over the steak. So that took us less than 10 minutes to make, probably 5 minutes to make. We move on to the steak. Tidy up as we go. So you want a very, very hot grill, or if you do it in the pan, smoking hot. So let's go with the steaks on. So it's been about 2.5 minutes on each side. I'm gonna take these off and we'll rest them for about 8 to 10 minutes. And I'll rest them up here. While they are resting, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get ready to plate up. And most importantly, get ready for the taste test. I haven't had a steak in a long time. So one thing with bavette or any scarred steak that you have to remember, you always want to cut against the grain. I'll show you what I mean by that. So you can see the grain is going this way. So what we want to do is we want to cut across it. So the grain's going sort of this way. We're gonna cut across it. The smell from the chimichurri is incredible. The freshness. Look, I'm not gonna lie, I did overcook it a little bit, but what can I say? I got distracted and it happens. I'm sorry. Anyways, let's give this one a go. Oh man. That is money. Beautiful steak. The freshness from the chimichurri. It's a perfect barbecue dish. What more can I say? Guys, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.